After that, we have our call list. It's worth noting that your call list could look very different than my call list does right now. And that's because this is our next area that we are going to invest a lot of time building out. We have what we consider our minimal viable product, our MVP, which is like a tech term for, hey, it's working, it works well, but it's not exactly what we dreamed of. So this one is going to have a lot of infrastructural change over the next couple of months that you're going to have access to. But very much like the outbox, you have a list of all of your past due calls, any upcoming or any completed calls, and you can actually click into these and you can look at all of those different details. Under there, you have the from, and you're going to have the ability to select the specific Twilio number that you have associated with that. Now, Twilio is a bit of an advanced setup that we're going to cover a little bit later, but if you are needing access to Twilio right now, go ahead and reach out to help@workflowsecrets.info. We can help you get that set up, not a problem, but you will need access to your own Twilio account and your own Twilio number to be able to use that. So that is kind of the caveat in this, but it's going to bring a lot of power. Now, the last thing that's worth noting, if you are an Apple user and you have a Mac or an iPhone, you can actually use your mobile phone device and you can call out inside of SAM through those different devices, which is really cool to me. So that is the ways in which you can use the call list.